Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabet. Stay with us. First we are using the color of yellow, green color, and now we're writing the alphabet of A. Stay with us. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. B. B for ball. C for cow. C for cat. D. Stay with us. E for elephant. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids, now we draw the alphabet of H. G for God. The next one is H. H. I. J for jackfruit. K for kite. L for lemon. L for lemon. The next one is M. M for moon, M for mango. Now we're using the color of scarlet. Scarlet color. M for moon, M for mango. Stay with us. N. The next one is O. P. P for penguin. Q. The next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.